Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to resize a video on CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open CapCut on your PC, import the video to the track, select the video. Now the first way is just increase or decrease this scale option. You can increase it or decrease it and resize the video according to your need by doing this. Now if you turn off this uniform scale option, you can see, okay, 1 minute, you can see scale width or scale height. You will increase scale width, it will stretch the video like this, and if you will increase the scale height, it will stretch the video in vertical manner. The last one, go on this 16:9 option right beside this search one, click on it and select the video format, for example 9:16, Instagram reel format. Now as you can see, that's it for the video. That's how you can resize video in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.